Is that open space? Oh, trailhead maybe.
Yeah. That's nice.
That's super pretty.
Motorcycles use extreme caution.
There's a lot more snow up here.
Yeah, it's only 34 degrees. Probably barely hit the 50s up here. Mount Evans is only 9 miles away.
That's crazy.
That Echo Lake, that spot towards the bottom before you take the actual road that goes all the way up, we're only 9 miles from that.
Wow.
Oh my.
Jesus.
Looks like Sawmill Lane off this road is a very short stretch. Even if it is dirt, it's not much of it.
That's good. Oh, is this Sawmill Road?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Looks paved.
No, it's
No,
just,
it's dirt.
It's dirt for sure.
It is dirt. Okay. Further down? Oh, we creeping?
Yeah, I got that hill descent on. I never get to use it.
Oh, finger in the camera.
I don't need to be going this slow. I'm just playing with that hill descent feature. Narrow as fuck.
Yeah, it is, especially with snow on it. Oh! Dun dun dun!
Oh, it's nice. Cool if there's a wraparound driveway.
Oh, look at all these
Exactly
cars.
like what you would expect it to smell like. That wood cider.
I kind of want to get out and try to...
Oh, yeah.
That way over there, there's steps, that, like a balcony that comes. Okay. It's very muddy and puddly. That's apparently the front door up there. Because this is just the garage, I think. Oh, oh, go faster, must go faster. Oh, right in the head. Oh, so the closest door is like way over there. And obviously all this snow from being covered. I don't have snowshoes on to go up to the top, but we'll try. It's pretty puddly everywhere. There's no views here. Maybe from the house upstairs, but the other house has the view on the side of the hill, mountain. That's a house right there. No, it was an 855 number.
I'm gonna call that one there.
If you have your phone on you, can you do it? There's your neighbor. It almost looks like there's damage to the wood under the windows. Maybe water. How there's vertical streaks on the siding.
Here?
Oh, yeah, going all the way down, like 18 inches. Like, look here too. Like, it's like the window's crying.
How many square feet is this? Like 25?
200, no, like 2,000. It's all just one level up top. Do you see stairs in there that go inside the house? Can you even see? Oh, can we see? I'm trying not to get a reflection. Oh, it is a single room on this side. Tons of cabinets. Oh, there's a door. I don't know if I can get it. There's a door. This glass is cold as shit.
What's that?
Anyway, there's a door that leads from this garage to the next garage. What about those windows?
Blinds.
Oh, blinds. Yeah, I feel like there's no stairs from inside the garage. There would, you would think. So this is mostly your view. You could probably see the mountains from the deck. Joe went up there. He says you can.
And those windows up there.
Yeah, there's like windows all over this house. Super muddy. I don't know. That's more Sawmill down that way, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't really want to walk over. Tons of windows. There's like a, I don't know if that opens up like a half little
It's sliding.
balcony kind of thing.
Hey, how's it going?
About that tree out right there. Actually, all of this belongs to that house.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, we tried to contact the realtor a few times, and we couldn't get in touch with a human being.
Don't know what I have to say about that.